Here we are at the nursing home. That's down the hallway from Granny's room. There she is. This is the Granny's room currently. I opened your blinds. It was dark in here when I walked in. I turned on a light and opened your blinds. Your bathroom. Okay, just an idea.
All over the toilet instead of going down in.
All right. Say hi, Granny.
Hi, Granny.